What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then if we take a look on the left-hand side, we see this dampening cord right here. This is what allows the glove box to open slowly. So what I'm going to do is get my fingers on the cord and then just kind of follow it down to this plastic piece on the bottom. And then that plastic piece will slide down and then it'll come out like that. And then you can just let it go. It'll retract up into there. Now we need to lower the glove box. And what's keeping it up is this black plastic tab right here. So in order to get that to clear, what I'm going to do is push up on this tan plastic piece. And then it allows that black plastic piece to clear, and the glove box will come down like that. Now taking a look behind here, this piece that says filter door on it, this is the access door to the cabin filter. And there's a few tabs over here that we need to pinch together. So these tabs will just pinch together, and as I do that, as I'm pinching those two tabs together, I'm kind of getting my finger on top of the door just to help get it off of there. And then that access door will come off like that. Now this access door can come off pretty tough, especially if it's never been off there before. So while you're pinching those tabs together, you might want to get your other hand on top of this and just kind of help pull. And if you're still unable to get it out, you may need to put a small flathead screwdriver or something similar in this little hole just to help pry it off. But once we get that off, we can see our actual cabin filter right here. And this one doesn't need to be replaced yet, but what you'll do is slide your old one out. And then when we slide our new replacement filter in, you want to make sure that you're paying attention to this airflow arrow. You want your airflow arrow pointing down towards the ground. So slide your new filter in, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So I'm going to grab this filter access door, and you'll know it's in the right way if it says filter door and the words are right side up. So we have our pinch clips on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we just have this tab that's going to slide into this notch right here, like that. And then the door will snap on. And then we'll pick our glove box off, pick our glove box back up. And if yours has come off the hinges, like mine, it's just sitting on those hinges. So just get him sitting on there. And then pick the glove box up until it holds itself up. And then the last thing we need to do is reattach this dampening cord. So reach your fingers up in here and grab it. Pull it down. And if you look at the shape of it, you can see it's a little wider on the bottom. And you want that tab on the top, that round tab on the top. So then we'll feed it through this hole. And actually looking at it from this side, you get a little better angle. So that tab will just go in there, and then it goes up just that far, locks into place. Pick our glove box up, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.